It's back to the three types of analytics. It's intuitive, which is essentially mostly art, modeled, which is mostly science, and expert, which is the right blend of art and science. geoVue's goal is to try to help companies achieve the right mix of art and science. And our primary contribution to that is bringing the modeled analytics tools to the enterprise for them to be able to integrate them into their decision-making processes. Does anybody really know what these numbers mean? Do you have some way of using these numbers in your decision-making process? How do you know whether this store is better than this store because of these numbers? And you know, everybody, of course, well, yes, of course we do, you know, but they don't know. So what's different in this decade, though, is there's also been an explosion in the interest of companies in analytics in general, business analytics. The ability to take massive amounts of data that are now being captured inside of companies, that are being shared and supplemented with data over the internet, and the visualization tools such as maps and charts and graphs to develop systems that not only will provide an overview of what a company has, what we used to refer to as an electronic atlas, show me my stuff on a map, but it being able to actually determine what the relationships are between the key variables that drive success, whether it's demographics or daytime population or the presence of competition, into mathematical models that can very quickly assess the data associated with a particular site and provide an answer, a guide, an indicator as to whether this could be a successful location. And taking a step further, even be able to look at an entire market and determine the right number of stores to put into that market and how to lay out a network of stores so that they're as close as possible to the best customers, but at the same time spaced out in such a way that they're not going to cannibalize each other.